Dragy right here. I like it. $13.91. I know you see it, man. Oh, there you go. Yes, sir. Hit up that website if you want it. What's good, guys? Yo, so I got a new toy, and we're about to go test this thing out. You guys already know how we're gonna get it started, though. Alright, so we're gonna get right into this video. We ain't gonna waste no time. If you guys enjoy the content, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you. All links are down below in the description if you need them. So check this out. If you know what that is, then you know what that is. GoDragy.com. And there's no affiliates here, nothing, you know, I bought this myself. But this is, if you guys know what this is one of the most accurate ways to time your 0 to 60s, 60 to 130s, all that, man. I have the link down below in the description. So if you guys want to get one of these after you see this video, pretty dope, man. We're gonna run through it, test the 0 to 60 in the Scat. I just got the tires rotated. You guys know R888's 305, 3520, that's what I'm running. So yeah, man, we're gonna see what this thing can do. Because like I've been telling you guys, I got some stuff coming on the way for the Scat. This thing ain't gonna be stock performance for much longer. So we're gonna test everything out right now. That way when we do a little, you know, couple things, add a couple things, we know for sure what we've gained, you know? So we're gonna document all this, test it out again along the way, along the whole journey of this build right here on my 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack wide body. And yeah, man, this is gonna be an essential part of that. This, and of course, you know, dyno runs and all that. I've already done a dyno. If you guys want to go check that video out, I'm gonna do another dyno, I think, before I get it tuned, and then we'll do another one afterwards. So yeah, man, let's set this thing up and get it going. All right, let's open this thing up, see what it comes with. There it is, the Dragy. And I think there's like some magnets, you know, you could tape this wherever you want to put it. So I think you just plug this into the USB, plug it into the Dragy, download the app, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so it doesn't need to be plugged in at all times. That's just the charging cable. And I got the app right here. That's what it looks like. All right, so I'm all signed up. Let's connect. Oh, just like that. All right, I think we're good, man. I've never used one of these, so I do not know how it works. We're gonna be doing 0 to 60 and 60 to 130. Maybe we'll do 0 to 132. Eighth mile, quarter mile, half mile, and mile. Today we're just gonna be doing 0 to 60 and 60 to 130. All right, I think it's all good to go. Track mode, traction off. Let's do it. First one down, it says 4.8 seconds. That one was 5 seconds on the 0 to 60. So not as good. It's a little bit of a dirty road as well. On that one. Ooh, okay. That one was 4.6. Not bad. All right, here we go again. Why it lagged like that. I don't know why it does that now. It never used to do that. But that was a 4.8. That's been costing me a lot of runs though. That lagging. I ain't gonna lie, man, these R888s, since that rotation, been putting in work again. I'm getting better at launching them. So that one right there, 4.8, another 4.8. That seemed like a good one. 4.8 again. That one I got 4.6. So it's looking like that's what it is. I'll do one more. Okay, 4.73. So the best I was able to do was a 4.6. All right, so we're about to get into these 60 to 130s, but before we do, I just noticed while editing that I was starting late on them, as you guys will see. Like I said, this is my first time with the Dragy, so you know, I'm still learning it, but now I know that you got to go right when you get to 60. I was waiting for it to say 60, so yeah, you'll see in the video that I start a little late, so that's why my times were a little higher than they should have been. So I'm gonna retest the 60 to 130s, but I'm gonna still show you guys just so you guys can see. The Dragy's super dope, man. Can't wait to get back out there and test those 60 to 130s again. But in the meantime, just enjoy this footage and we'll get the official times very, very soon. Also on the next ones, now I know to end the video, because if you keep the video going, that's why it shows all the times instead of showing the, you know, the little ready, set, go lights. So next time I know to end the video, start a new video. That way each time it shows the lights, the red lights, and then the green when it goes, which is a little better. But you know, it's a process. I'm learning as I go. This is my first time using it, but it was super dope. Let me know what you guys think of the Dragy footage. I thought it looked dope. I also need to mess with my GoPro settings. It was a little bit bright, but yeah, you know, we're always learning and we're always improving, baby. But appreciate you guys. Enjoy the rest of the footage.
60.
.41.
60.
I figured I wouldn't make that one. So I got 13.41 and 13.4. So these ones will probably be a little easier to tell, you know, what it normally would get. As opposed to a dig, sometimes you might get a good start and then other times you might not. So it's a little different.
60.
12.9.
60. 130.
13.5.
60. Quarter mile.
12.8, 60 to 130 in 12.8 seconds. Sheesh, that's pretty damn good. As I was watching LouieXII's video, I'm gonna watch it again and see what he got. He did it in a wide body Charger. I'm gonna watch that and see what he got and compare it to this, because 12.8 seems pretty good. I don't know if he got that low on it. That was a bad road right there. So 12.8 is legit. Hey man, this Dragy right here, I like it, man. That thing is legit. We have like a built-in timer right here. You guys can see it if it goes. But this one's a little, it's not that easy to use, you know, and I don't know how accurate it is. Let me see if it got any of those. 0 to 60, 4.2. 0 to, see, it only has 0 to 60, 0 to 100. It says 10.8. So it doesn't have any 60 to 130 or anything like that. And the Dragy, you guys seen what all it had. It had 0 to 60, 0 to 30, 0 to 130, 100 to 200. It had all kinds of stuff. So yeah, man, that Dragy is legit. I highly recommend it. I heard nothing but good things about it in the past, but this is my first time trying it. So if you guys are interested in that, like I said, man, link down below in the description. That's the best way to time your 0 to 60s, your 60 to 130s, quarter miles, half miles, whatever you want, man. This is a very handy device right here. Super dope. Gotta throw the shades on, man. That sun. Look at that. Damn. Hey, we're starting to get some good weather again over here in Cali. You know what that means, man? A whole lot more car stuff about to go down very soon. Got a car meet that we're gonna do in the Bay with my man 510 Scat. And my bad if you're watching this, bro. I know I've been lagging on getting back to you on that. Just a whole lot of stuff going on. But hey, if you guys are interested in that in the Bay Area or whatever area, there should be a lot of cars. It's gonna just be a meet, you know, everybody bring their cars, and then maybe we'll have a little cruise type thing as well. Should be pretty damn dope, man, if I do say so myself. All right, we're back, so let's check out these times, man, see what it's all about. Let's start with the 0 to 60s. So it says here 0 to 60 in this car is 4.3 seconds. That's what it's capable of. So let's see if we got anywhere near that. First one, 4.7, that was one of the best ones. Then we got 4.8, 4.6, 6.2, 5.0, and 4.8. That was probably the one where I spun. And the road conditions, the road that I was on, it was a little dusty. Not the best road conditions whatsoever. So with that considered, I mean, not too bad. It was close to what it says it does. I got the 4.6 right there, and I did quite a few, 8 of them from what it says right here. I don't remember doing 8, but apparently we did 8. Damn. All right, let's check out the 60 to 130s. All right, so this is LouieXIII. If you guys don't know who he is, shout out to him, man. Go follow him. I don't know him, but he's super dope, has a lot of good information. He's actually in my boy Pete's wide body charger right here. So this is what he got.
Being that it builds heat, but not the case today. So a 1256, a 1240, and a 1217.
1217 was his best run. I got 13.1, 12.8, 13.5, 12.9, 13.4, 13.4. So I don't know what it was, but like I said, man, I feel like mine's been a little extra laggy lately. So I don't know, I have an appointment with the Dodge dealership this week. So I'm gonna ask him about it, see what it's all about. I might have to pull a fuse. I might pull a fuse on it and then retest it. So we'll see if that does anything. We'll test that out as well. That's just another video, more content, you know. So yeah, man, those are pretty much the times right now. Like I said, we're gonna retest it after I pull that fuse and after I talk to the people at Dodge, and we'll see what happens. You know, I'm a little in the beginning, like, I thought, for some reason, I thought his runs were in the 13s. So I was a little excited when I was getting those 12 somethings. But yeah, apparently not. So a little sluggish, man. Feels like it's a little sluggish for some reason. But the 0 to 60 is not too bad. We'll see if we can improve those. Of course, the street conditions, like I said, a little dusty. But yeah, man, more testing to come. The Dragy, super dope. Highly recommend this thing. So if you guys are looking for something to test, very accurate, the best thing on the market, man, hands down. You guys can check the reviews. Link down below in the description. If you enjoy the content, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys, especially if you're still here at this point in the video. All links to everything are down below, to my social platforms, the gaming channel, everything I use and recommend, the $13.91 apparel as you guys can see right here. So go check it out if that's something you're interested in. But until the next time, man, who is LouieXIII checking out? I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna see you guys soon. Salute. Got the new Harley, the new one. That thing is nice, nice. What year is it? What year is it?
2021.
2021?
Yeah.
That's nice.